Welcome to Jakamo Docs!
We wanted to help Jakamo users to easily find instructions, documentations and useful tips needed for efficient and pleasant Jakamo user experience. That's why we created Jakamo Docs, to support you on your Jakamo journey.
In Jakamo Docs you can find all the instructions to successfully use Jakamo. It consists of 3 parts. Jakamo User Guide includes instructions for use cases in different applications and functionalities, as well as for adminning the Jakamo. Technical Docs are for technical people to connect your systems into Jakamo. Technical Docs includes API descriptions and guides how to connect to Jakamo. In the FAQ we have collected the most typical questions related to Jakamo use.
So where you find all this information? Support.thejakamo.com.
See you in Jakamo Docs!
Nähdään!